A funeral ceremony of late Chief Francis Nweke Anyansi showed again that a life spent in honesty and service to humanity is worth celebrating. Till his death at the age of 93, Chief Anyansi was a member of the Nsugbe Council of Elders in the Anambra East Council area. He served the council in different influential positions, including as a spokesperson known in the community as Okwube Nsugbe. His legacies were the reasons his family and in-law, Chief Lawrence Anikbe of Igbariam, gave him a befitting funeral ceremony. Correspondent Amaka Chibuzo Okoye has details.
Chief Anyansi was said to have contributed immensely to the development of his village, Apalago, age grade, and many associations where he fought for peace and truth at all times. These legacies were the reason his family and in-law, Chief Lawrence Anikbe of Igbariam, gave him a befitting burial. The event attracted the high and mighty in the society and top government officials, including the senator representing Anambra North in the Red Chambers, Dr. Tony Nwoye, and the member representing Anambra East constituency at the Anambra State House of Assembly, Barrister Obi Nweke. Speaking to newsmen, the present spokesperson of Nsugbe Council of Elders, Chief Gabriel Anozie, said they came in their numbers to bid their compatriot, Chief Anyansi, farewell, recalling his virtues of honesty and transparency, which he said was why Ndi Eze Nsugbe appointed him their spokesperson. For an age mate and bosom friend of the deceased, Chief Lawrence Nwoye, Chief Anyansi was a man who told the path of truthfulness at all times, praying God for the peaceful repose of his soul, commiserating with Chief Anikbe, his wife Chizoba, and the Anyansi family. The member representing Anambra East constituency, Barrister Nweke, said that it pains to lose a loved one, saying that the deceased life was worth celebrating because he laid good legacies for his children. In their separate speeches, the first son of the deceased, Mr. Okudili Anyansi, and his sister, Mrs. Ude Wesley Ude, described their father as a great man who taught them good virtues.
When I can governor Professor Solution is here. Folk and Subana shine. None they are called See, I just weaker. Also, education, infrastructural development.
Late Chief Anyansi was buried according to the custom and traditions of Nsugbe Council of Elders. Condolence visits, masquerades, and other cultural displays were some of the highlights of the funeral ceremony. From Nsugbe, Anambra East Council area, Amaka Chibuzo Okoye, ABS News.